Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download ChatGPT app for Android. OpenAI has announced the upcoming release of ChatGPT app for Android devices, following the success of its iOS version. The company made the announcement via Twitter, exciting Android users who have been eagerly awaiting the app's arrival. To download ChatGPT on an Android device, look up ChatGPT on the search bar of the Google Play Store. Find the ChatGPT app published by OpenAI. Then tap on Install. After that, open the ChatGPT and click on Pre-register to receive a notification as soon as the app is available for download. You can revisit the page and unregister should you feel like you'd want to do away with download prompts and go through the process again once the app is available. While OpenAI competitor Google Bard chatbot doesn't have a dedicated mobile app and is accessible only through its web-based interface. Microsoft Bing AI app has been available on both Android and iOS since February. The introduction of ChatGPT in 2022 has spurred the development of generative AI products capability of generating new text, images, and other media. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.